The Amazon rainforest is under threat. In the 1980s, Brazil was in deep debt. In order to pay some of this debt off, some of its people resorted to exploiting the forest to their own ends. And so we get deforestation, which happens for the following reasons. Timber is very valuable and can be sold to create furniture off construction, so illegal logging takes place. We have mining, for which the space has to be cleared. Scarce materials that the forest is rich in: gold, copper, diamonds. And the most vicious deforestation techniques, slash and burn, where the trees are cut and the forest is set afire, is done for farming, growing crops, as we see here. And then around this corner, you see a road which has been built straight through the forest itself in order to get access from one settlement to another. And these settlements are built in the rainforest due to the increasing population pressure from Brazil on its people. So what are the impacts of this deforestation? Well, as you can imagine, there used to be tribes that lived in this forest peacefully, but they've been driven out by the illegal loggers and their harsh techniques. Following this are disputes about who owns the land. Is it companies, the country itself, or the tribespeople? If we don't know who owns the land, how are we to know what to do with it? From an economic standpoint, yes, it creates jobs, but so does ecotourism, which is a far more sustainable technique. And where's that? Lastly, the environmental impacts. Look at this topsoil. 10 to 20 centimeters of this is left exposed to the elements and will be washed away by rainfall. This makes it infertile, and this soil erosion, this leaching, will take it into rivers, which in turn overflow. Of course, the deforestation also means loss of vegetation and loss of animal habitats, which really ruins the ecosystem in the rainforest. And lastly, if we look at these stumps again, you'll know that deforestation also releases harmful greenhouse gases into the atmosphere, which really shows how the events that are happening in the Amazon rainforest today are going to have a global effect on all of us.